Good morning, everyone. Everybody's been asking again about the FPC and what the insides look like. I haven't got to the trigger yet. That'll be down the road. But let's talk about this hammer cassette right here. When you take the whole thing apart like I've got it, there's a pin right here. And that hole right there, you'll take this pin out. And then once you do that, it's fairly easy. That cassette, you'll want to grab the back part here and this side. You can see right in here, there's this piece right here. It's a little bar. When you pull that up, you want to get your finger on it to hold it and then pull this right out. Reason I'm saying that is there's a spring right inside there. There's a spring that keeps tension on this bar so it holds your trigger bar up. So let me do this. There, you can see the pin inside there. It's kind of hard to see, but it's right inside there. Once you get it cleaned up, to put it back in, this nub right there has to fit inside there. So you'll pull your trigger bar up, slide that nub right under there, and push that right back in. And what I do is I kind of hold it, safety's off, and I make sure it activates the trigger so you know you got it in the right spot. And then you can just take this pin, push it back in there, and you are done with that trigger cassette. But one thing I can tell you is be careful with that trigger cassette. That bar that's on the right-hand side, if you're shooting, it's on your right. It's a big long bar there. There's a spring in it. Be careful with that. Personally, these trigger cassettes, or hammer cassettes, sorry, I wouldn't even mess with that unless you got some kind of armor experience, because for the average person, you're going to lose stuff and it's going to make your $700, $500 gun worthless. So please don't get into that one. If you live in Buckeye here and you're having an issue, get a hold of me and I'll have you come by and we'll try to put it back together, providing you all the parts. I don't have parts for that. So you have any questions, put it below, and I'm just taking that apart to show you guys because everybody wants to see it. Take care and have a good one.